Pangalawa na
Next
ako.
would be
Pangalawa ako.
Chamel. Where is Chamel? Rin si Miss Chamel. Okay. Sige, next one. Ito, handa na rin to. Kanina pa. Tawa-tawa lang yan. Pero handa na yan sagutin yung question number 51 ni Miss Tinjonko. Okay, Miss Tinjonko. Kamusta ka na?
Okay lang po. Kinakabahan
Okay
po
lang.
ako.
Ito naman, kaya mo yan. Ikaw pa ba?
No, but...
Okay, Miss Tinjonko, here's your question. Your question is from question number 8. Pedro, an employee, was absent on payday. Without his written authorization, the employer released his salary to his co-worker. So, itago na lang natin sa pangalan Jose yung co-worker na to, who claimed that he would deliver it to Pedro. Pedro later claims he never received his wages and demands payment again. The employer argues that the salary was already released in good faith and the co-worker was entrusted for leave. Question: is the employer action correct? Go, Miss Injonko.
Yung hindi po siya correct prof. So not correct. So if hindi po kasi pwedeng mag-release ng sahod sa kahit katrabaho or kapamilya without authorization letter. So dahil po walang authorization letter, kailangan pong magbayad ni employer ng sweldo, buong sweldo or kabuuang sweldo na pinasukan niya doon po kay Pedro. Ay, sino ba yun?
Tama, kay Pedro. Si
Kasi,
Pedro.
yes po, kay Pedro po. So, yun po.
Okay, thank you so much, Miss Injonko.